So I heard most of you comes from the Ruby community. Me too. So you probably know the Faraday library. For those who doesn't know it, it's a small HTTP client library which allows you to build clients with middlewares for requests and responses. So each request and response comes from the middleware stack and generates final response, output, or request. And around months ago, we started looking at Elixir, and we started building this clone of Faraday in Elixir called Tesla. It looks mostly ready to use, but it still needs some love. So if you need such a functionality, such a library, give it a try and make a pull request or an issue. And that's all. Thanks.